Hello everybody, simple today again, nice easy one, pies. Got myself a couple of pies, I got them from Aldi. It says they're new, I don't know whether they're new or not. First time I've seen them, but our Aldi's different to everyone else's. Some Aldis get them first and then whatever, so I don't know. Let me show you anyway. Okay, 2 pies, new, specially selected, quite expensive, £3.99 each. So I'm hoping they're good for that money. They're served 2, it's obviously half a pie. So we're probably £2 half a slice in it. So there we go. So we've got a festive turkey pie. I've never had it before. British turkey and pork. And we got a chicken, bacon and leek pie. British chicken and pork. So let's have a quick look at them. Let's bring the camera up, it'd help, wouldn't it? So here's the festive turkey pie one. Put my glasses on so I can see what I'm saying. Marinated slow cooked British turkey and smoked bacon in a creamy white sauce. That's that one. £1 per half a pie. Say serves 2 in the oven. I've got the oven warming up already. 30 minutes. Ingredients. I remember pies used to be really cheap. God, they're getting really expensive, ain't they, these pies? What's this at the top there? Butter and rich short crust pastry base filled with marinade, slow cooked British turkey and smoked bacon with added water in a creamy white wine sauce topped with a buttery enriched puff pastry lid on an oat with an oat and sage sprinkle. So we're not keen on white wine sauces and all that, we ain't, but we will have a look anyway, eh? Yous might like them. Chicken, bacon and leek pie. Tender slow cooked British chicken, smoked bacon and leek in a creamy sauce. There's that one. And the same on the back, nutrition, you want to have a look. And ingredients. And that's the same. Smoked bacon with added water. Yeah, added water. Sprinkled with poppy seeds, that one. Anyway, let's have a look at the festive pie. Let's get it open. There it is with the oat topping. It don't look too bad, does it, actually? But it's what the filling's like, isn't it? Obviously. Nice and simple. We're just going to have it with some fries. I'm doing the 2 because in case we don't like the one, we might not like the 2. And I didn't want to do 2 different videos. No point. We'll just do it in one while I've got the oven on. So we can both have a look. 'Cause you might like one and not the other. And there's the other one. The leek one. Okay, what I'll do is I'll get them in the oven. I've got myself a nice hot pan. Get them both on the one pan in the middle shelf. There we go. I'm doing these because I've just been doing my tree. I went and got myself some, because if you know, watch yesterday's video, I broke me lights. So I just been and got some from the pound shop, and they don't look too bad now actually. Just for pound shop lights. Okay, what that pie's doing, I've just put myself some fries in, chips. I'll probably do a bit of gravy with it, just some chicken gravy or something like that. Just some gravy granules. Just so it's not too dry. And I'm going to show you my tree. I've had this tree about 18 years we've had it. Even the lights. But the lights, the one set of lights broke. And I wanted £6 for 4 bulbs. For the classic one, for the old classic ones, right? And I thought, well, I ain't paying that in case it's more bulbs than that had gone. So I thought, nah, forget that. So I went and got some from the pound shop, as I said. There it is, feeling sorry for itself. It's about the best I could do. For 18 years old, it's done well. I keep saying every year, I've got to get a new one. But it's doing okay. But there's the lights. Them colour lights, I had one set of colour lights left. You probably can't even tell because it's not dark enough. But the ones that are broke, I will keep them for spare bulbs for them ones, that's what I'll do. And there's them light ones, they're just plain ones, that's all. It'll look better when it's night time. I might have to adjust it a bit. But there we go. Anyway, that's my tree. Okay, they've been in half an hour. I'm going to get them out. And they do smell nice. Let me show you. Oops. They smell quite nice. There we go. What do we think? Obviously they're going to be a bit hot at the minute. What I'll do is I'll leave them to cool down a couple of minutes. I'll put my chips and that on the plate. And I'll cut some when we're up the table. I bet you was expecting me to eat up the table, don't you? Oh God, what a nightmare. What a nightmare. After I just done that bit there with the pies on the side. Setting the table up. Sun's in my eyes there. Setting the table up and there was all blood on the pies. I'd cut my finger and I hadn't even known. Haven't even noticed. It's only like a paper cut thing, but there was blood everywhere. So I couldn't really eat them pies and review them up the table with blood everywhere. So I'm off up to Aldi. It's the next day now. I'm up to Aldi to see if I got any more of them pies in. I'm going to get a couple more, put them back in the oven, and we just taste test them up the side. Absolutely pain. So that's why there wasn't a video yesterday. I'm hoping I got some in because I only had a few in yesterday. So I don't know. Otherwise, upload it, but I can't taste test it. You'll have to let me know whether you've had them and you thought they was nice. I don't know. Oh. But we'll go in and have a look, see if they've got any. I've got to go up here anyway to get some for today's video. Because obviously if they've got pies in here, this will go up at dinner time. So I do apologise, but let's go and have a look if they've got any pies. Got none. All they have. Got some. That was one, wasn't it? Yeah. There we go, back home, put them in the freezer, in the fridge, in the oven. And we'll taste them. And here we go again. All cooked, been in about half an hour. What a pain, eh? Cost me a fortune, ain't it, now, to do this video with these pies. £4 each. So let's get a slice out of the turkey one. Let's cut it open so we can have a look. Nice crunch. Oh, just have a small bit. Just so we can see. Get that in there. There it is. I mean, it's full, ain't it? It's full of turkey and everything in there. And they do smell nice. They do smell very nice. There's that one. Wipe my knife. Right, cutting my fingers. So I don't know how I cut my finger. I haven't got a clue. I hadn't even picked a knife up. So I don't know what happened. I don't know if it might have been off the box. Maybe a little paper cut thing. They're the worst, didn't they? But it didn't hurt or nothing. I didn't even notice. And this is the chicken, bacon and leek. Let's have a look at this one. And there's that one. And that one looks quite nice as well, doesn't it? Okay. Right, let's have a little taste test. Okay then. Let's try the turkey one. Yes, this is the turkey one. Let's try a bit of the meat first inside. And the sauce. And we'll try some pastry after. There it is. Oh, I like that. For someone who doesn't like white sauces, I do like that. Yeah, let's try the pastry. Yeah. I like that one. Get a drink of water and go on the next one. Now onto the bacon, leek and chicken. Oh dear. So we'll do the same again. We'll have a bit of the meat first. Doesn't look like there's as much meat in this one. There was a lot more meat in the other one, but I've only had one little slice, so. That one's not as nice. Nowhere near as nice. I don't know what I can taste in there. Pastry. That one's not bad. For £4. I'm not sure about the chicken and bacon one. But that turkey one is delicious. I'd probably buy both again. Mind the price. Mind it's cost, look how much it's cost me. Now I have to buy it twice. So, I'd definitely buy the turkey one again, because it's quite nice. The chicken one, I don't think the chicken one's worth £4. But you might like it, you might have had it before, I don't know. As I say, I've got to get on now, because I've got to get on with today's video. As I said, mess around video this now. What would I mark them? I mark the turkey one an 8. It is quite nice, got a nice bit of flavour. And the chicken and bacon and leek one, I'd probably give a 7. I don't know whether it's the white wine sauce is a bit too sweet for me on that one, because I'm not really into it. But it was nice in the turkey. I don't know. Let me know what you think. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Till next time, see you later. Bye bye.